Adding an RSS sitemap to your WordPress site can help Google index your content and update more quickly. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add RSS sitemap in WordPress. So I'm going to give you the full guide. So the first thing you have to do is install and activate all-in-one SEO in plug. So for you to be able to do that, just go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to plugin, add new, then search for all-in-one SEO and click install now. Once you install it, click on activate. Then the second step is enable the RSS sitemap in your WordPress dashboard. Go to all-in-one SEO sitemap, then click on the RSS sitemap tab. Then toggle on the enable sitemap option. Then once you do that, click on the open RSS sitemap button. You will see how your RSS sitemap looks. Then alternatively, you can also go to your site.com/sitemap.rss for you to be able to confirm the look of your RSS sitemap from your website. Then once you do that, submit your RSS sitemap to Google Search Console. So for you to be able to submit that, just go to Google Search Console and select your website property, then navigate to sitemap in the left hand menu, then enter the URL of your RSS sitemap, which is sometimes always something like this, which is https:/your website, which is your domain for your website.com, then /sitemap.rss. Once you do that, then click on submit. With these following steps, you have an RSS sitemap running on your WordPress, helping Google index your account or your content update more efficiently. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.